Hello everybody, this is my bedroom before the renovations basically. Well, we've changed the flooring and I've started picking colors. I chose pink and green, but then I changed my mind because I couldn't find the right green color and I really didn't like the wardrobe color. I started painting it black. I thought it would look quite good with the pink, like the contrast. This is quite a old clip of the bedroom, mind the curtains. They're ugly, I know. That's all I had. Here's me starting to paint the wardrobe doors. I didn't really want to buy a new wardrobe, so I thought I could just paint the doors matte black. I still don't know what I'm going to do with the drawers on the side. Look at the nice headboard I got from eBay. I really love it. It's made out of wood, like carved wood. Looks beautiful. It's actually a room divider that I decided to use as a headboard. Anyhow, there's me painting. There's no undercoat or anything, just straight onto the door. It was kind of glossy. But I didn't sand, I just cleaned it and straight on with the paint. The paint I got from Amazon, and it's just a teeny tiny little can, but it was enough. I still got some left actually. I was quite surprised how well it covered. It still needed a second coat after this. Can't quite tell in the video, but yeah, definitely needed a second, maybe even a third coat. Just putting the paint brush into the bag to keep it wet. And here's the paint that I've used. As you see, it's a tiny little can. There's the insert from Amazon, $12.99. This is after I've done the wallpapering and painted the doors. I've decided to paint the doors this brownish color, but that was when I thought that the walls would be green. And then obviously I changed my mind, like I've done maybe 5 times, and eventually I put a wallpaper on. Because I couldn't get a dark paint that would look nice and wouldn't stain. The dark green, there were so many marks. It had to be a wallpaper. Still, I think it looks quite cute. It's like metallic, kind of black, a little bit blue. For now, it will do. The door is still quite plain at this point, and I'm gonna add some like appliques, wooden, like carved wood things to the door to make it look nicer. I didn't film it, but here it is. I just glued it on with a double adhesive tape that's sticky from 2 sides. It's quite strong. Just pre-cut it to size and then stick it on. And that's it, all done. Just need to paint it black. The same black paint that I've used for the doors I'm gonna use on this. Again, no other paint was added. I know that you probably should, but who has time for this? Not me. As you can see, yeah, that's still the one coat that I did previously. So you can see loads of brush marks. That's quite satisfying. It's such a lovely paint. I'm not very good at filming and painting at the same time, I'm sorry. It's quite nice that there's no gap between the wood and the actual door. Like the tape I used was quite thin. I later on added these bigger wooden bits that I really like. It just more tedious to paint it. Totally worth it though. Even today when I looked at it, there were still marks that weren't painted. So I still need to go and touch it up. I really like it. I like how it turned out. I like the matte black. Just completely changed the look of the wardrobe. Obviously, yes, I still have lots to do with the drawers, and that's just the shower panel because I'm also doing the ensuite at the moment. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't very helpful and I'm still learning this whole YouTube thing. I couldn't figure out how to film right for the longest time.
Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What does getting